On All for Adventure, we love to catch good reef fish, especially Simon, who loves his stoinkers. To chase these fish, we head out offshore on the big boat with the right gear for the job.
Don't be a shark, don't be a shark, don't be a shark. Please don't be a shark. Oh.
Oh, it's a big cod.
It's a stoinking cod. Look at that.
Look at you go.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, well done.
Yeah. Let me get those hooks out. Big estuary cod. What do you call them around here?
Beautiful, yeah.
Big estuary. He's a beauty. Goodbye. Oh, look at the splash. It's sharks up. Barracuda from hell. I think that's the biggest cuda we've had on the boat, isn't it?
That thing is a monster.
That's a monster cuda, man.
Woo! Imagine if that was a mackerel.
I'd be pumped. I'm already pumped. That's a good fish.
That was a beast.
Oh, we haven't been bitten yet. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Go. Prehistoric out here, mate. Let's hope the rest of the fish are like that too.
Hell yeah. Big bait on a big hook is old mate's motto, and well, it seems to work for him. Flukiest fisherman I know.
Boom shakala! Boom shakala!
That's all we wanted.
That's it. Now he's on. Oh, yes. Got colour.
It's a big fish.
It's a stonker. Oh. Oh, look at you. We don't want to miss it. Woo! There you go, mate.
That's what we're looking for.
Danny guys. Yeah, baby, yeah! Yeah, baby. Oh, it's nuts. Oh, you're good. Hey, coming in. Woo!
Oh, we got colour. I got a double hooker.
You have not.
Double big one.
Stop it.
Woo! Look at that. Now that's reef fishing, isn't it?
At its finest, mate, at its finest. Look at that, baby. Woo-hoo. Yeah.
You're on.
Another nanny, I reckon. What a cracking afternoon. Oh, it's a nanny from hell. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Now that's a nanny guy.
Ready?
Look at that. Holy shyster.
Look at the size of that
I
fish.
bet you didn't even know they got that big.
Look at the size of that
That's
fish.
a stoinker.
What does it weigh, you reckon?
I don't know.
That's got to go like 10.
At least.
I've never seen one that big.
Me either. It's a dinosaur of all friggin' nanny guys. Beat that!
Another great day out fishing thanks to Shimano with an awesome sunset to top it off.
Next time, the boys head for Gulf Country.
Someone's in trouble for something.
He's coming in here, dude.
Are you sure we're supposed to be in here?
No.
They love meeting the locals.
It's your fault. You said.
In this case, they met the local constabulary
You two rogues have been knocking our fish off.
and a very nice
I
magistrate.
didn't twist your arm.
This whole thing is your fault.
Join them for the misadventure.
No!